Hi guys, good evening to one and all folks. Welcome to IPL Diaries, told by your favorite podcaster of sports, is Sai Krishna's Echo. Here we go on to the preview of yesterday's match, which was held between the young guns of Sunrisers from Hyderabad, having the legacy of David Warner and Johnny Bairstow. Bairstow was sensational as an opener. Very unfortunate to have David Warner, it's not your day completely, because not only David Warner, then you have Priyam Garg. When you play a scoop shot, it's hitting the helmet and directly it's hitting the stumps. The ball is not going anywhere, it just falls on the stump. I mean, it's unbelievable, yeah. God has to be a bit kind. Then you have Abhishek Sharma, who goes on big, after dismissal of a great partnership between Manish Pandey and Johnny Bairstow. Abhishek was so confident that he could, facing Yuzvendra Chahal after getting on the hat-trick ball and going front foot in the same over, knocking him down. That's incredible. I mean, fearless. But again, what happened? Collision between Rashid and Abhishek. Really poor. And at the starting, we had Mitchell Marsh, who was down with the ankle. Hats off to his attitude to come back and play. They say, correct, that Aussie don't give so easily. Hats off to his attitude, man. But God has to be so kind to at least some kindness to Sunrisers Hyderabad for the way they played. Really bad. It was not at all our day, to be frank. But Devdutt Padikkal, hats off to that young man, young talent. Wow. And great to see Josh Philippe also playing in the same way. It's actually great when you play youngsters come out. That's what you play IPL for. Then today we have the clash of the titans, you can say, the Rajasthan Royals, the young side, versus the Chennai Super Kings. Super Kings look so confident after the victory at the first game versus Mumbai Indians. If they had to be supposed to be a change, I can just tell you a change would be you can leave a overseas player down and you play Mitchell Santner, because it's Sharjah. Sharjah is very small ground. The totals are very, very huge there. It's a very hoping to be it's a spin pitch. If even it is a spin pitch, since the boundaries are less, the length of the size of the ground is low. It's a bit small. I guess the team which wins first toss will be choosing to bowl first. I'll be hoping to see the great Yashasvi Jaiswal, man who lives his small village. He comes to Mumbai, he has become homeless. He goes to Azad Maidan to get a tent. An incredible story of passion, dedication, hard work, sacrifice. I think this is the best story I had ever come through. Go sleep in Azad Maidan, you go in a small tent, you have no current, no electricity, nothing. You don't scold yourself. मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है यार? You could have told that, but he never told that. He was fighting, which led him to India under-19, and today he'll be coming in Rajasthan Royals jersey. I pick him as a superstar. He is a superstar. He was selling pani puri at the evenings to get 20, 30, 50 rupees. Everything he could do only for that game of cricket. Incredible, unbelievable, outstanding, and frankly no words for the style he plays, the dedication, the way he organizes himself. He's so calm, so kind, so humble. Amazing. I am going to pick him in my dream team. Yashasvi Jaiswal will be my player, any team he goes. Wish him very, very good luck and all the very best for the future, and he'll be soon in senior cricket team. Coming to the matches and the picking of the players. Team CSK I would be recommending a couple of changes. One is like I have told, like Mitchell Santner should play today, as it's a spin track and Mitchell Santner left-handed, and he could be a great pressure. He can handle pressure. He's a great all-rounder. Left-hand bowling, left-hand off spin. He has the courage to bowl in the power plays. Many times for New Zealand he has done it and shown that he a spinner taking the courage to bowl in a power play. That's amazing, right? So Mitchell Santner has to be played today. Coming to the dream team for the MI versus CSK. Rajasthan Royals versus CSK. I'd be suggesting you to go for the team of Rajasthan. Firstly, the news is that Josh Butler will be not available for this game, as he has reached the UAE with his family, so he need to follow the quarantine rules. So he will be quarantined. So he is in quarantine. So he will be missing today's game. Ben Stokes is not there. He has been not still reached. He may miss the IPL this time, as his father is undergoing surgery treatment for brain cancer, and he wants to take care of his father. Wish him good health and all better results come out. Let's play for him. So Ben Stokes is not there, Josh Butler is not there, but Steve Smith could be a big pick. So the 4 foreign players would be like Steve Smith. You play Steve Smith, you play Jofra Archer, you play Tom Curran, and I would go with David Miller. These are the best 4, because Tom Curran is also a great bowling all-rounder. Jofra can bat and bowl as well. And David Miller, no need to tell about him, one of the greatest finishers of IPL and world cricket in whatever teams he plays for. Maybe Punjab, it may be any team. Miller has always been a match winner. So Rajasthan Royals, here we go. First, open your batting with Robin Uthappa, Yashasvi Jaiswal. Then you go with one overseas player at number 3. It would be Steven Smith. At number 4, you go with Riyan Parag, a great talent from Assam. He will be a future superstar as well. Amazing temperament, great patience. The way he times the ball, his technique is fabulous. I guess this guy should get more opportunities. Under pressure, the way he plays, he organizes himself, dedication, passion, compassion, everything. He is a superstar. Then you go with David Miller. Then down the order you go with Shreyas Gopal for you. Then you go for Shreyas Gopal. Then you go for Sanju Samson. Don't think that I'm picking Sanju Samson very late, because Sanju Samson is perfect in finishing. So let him be your finisher. Then you go with your third overseas player, that is Tom Curran, and then Jofra Archer, and one leg spinner can be played like they have got Mayank Markande, and a couple of options as well. Mayank Markande, great leg spinner, who's been traded for Mumbai Indians to Rajasthan Royals. So Rajasthan would be hoping to play spinner. He is also a specialist spinner. So Mayank Markande also can be done, and then one more pace option would be Ankit Rajput, Kartik Tyagi, under 19 talent as well, or you can go with Akash Singh, debutant IPL if you can. So the 4 foreigners, as I told you, would be Steven Smith, Jofra Archer, Tom Curran, and David Miller. Now we move on to the Chennai Super Kings, the Yellow Army. What a batting, sensational by Raidu, and great partnership. The way the fight was led by Faf du Plessis, it was not an easy track to play at all. It was a pace attack from Mumbai, and the way they organized themselves and finished the game, Faf was unbelievable with the bat and fielding. His hands were like gum. He was like a bear. He was like a bird, to be frank, an eagle, as strong in the long on, long off. That's why MS Dhoni is special, because in the absence of Suresh Raina, they didn't get any less than additional number of runs. That's amazing. You have the best fielders at long on, long off, where Suresh Raina wherever he was there, he was getting players, he was getting Jadeja inside the ring. That's why MS Dhoni is called the the game changer, the smartest cricketing brain ever someone has come through. This is just unbelievable, man. So you go with open with Fab du Plessis and Shane Watson. Watson also will be delivering his innings today, is what I can tell you. So go with Watson, Faf. At number 3 you play Ambati Rayudu. Number 4 you play Jadeja, Pramod Jadeja up the order. Number 5 you play the great finisher of Indian cricket and great captain MS Dhoni. Number 6 you play the third all-rounder Sam Curran. And number 7 you can play Mitchell Santner. Number 8 you play Karan Sharma. Number 9 you play Piyush Chawla. 10 and 11 would be obviously Deepak Chahar and Shardul Thakur. This is the best team you can attack in Sharjah. As it is a small ground, you have got the top match winners with you, top spinners with you, and your overseas players are fabulous fielders as well. So go with the 4 foreigners, as I told you: Watson, Faf, and then it would be Mitchell Santner, or if you want to head pace, you can be Josh Hazelwood or Imran Tahir / as Imran Tahir. If you go, you are already having 2 spin options. It's Karan Sharma, and you already have that spin option of Piyush Chawla. So I guess they may not be heading Imran Tahir even today. He would be benched today. So it would be Faf, it would be Watson, it should be Santner. Last but not the least, it should be Lungi Ngidi or Sam Curran. Yeah, it's great to see 2 Curran brothers. Sam Curran plays for CSK and Tom Curran plays for Rajasthan. This is beauty of IPL, right? Where brothers play to each other. So this is what we can see, and expecting the Dream 11 player of the day to be Yashasvi Jaiswal. Jaiswal can deliver you match winner performances, and today he will be recreating history. He will be forever, or he'll be there forever and ever in IPL history. What a dream player. Rajasthan Royals is going with the young team. I hope all good. And even Robin Uthappa, a great Indian talent, he should come forward. This is what I have for you today. And ask questions, any queries about cricket, you can please go to our podcast and you can just ask at Sai Krishna Seku. Always ready to entertain you. And as the game progresses, the tournament progresses, I'll be bringing you most excitement, most dramatic scenes, whatever happens in cricket and IPL. And let's be happy, stay safe, be happy and do good, and help all but hurt never. Thank you very much, guys. It was great talking to you. Let's meet again tomorrow. Bye bye.